This dog grooming sling hammock makes it easier to trim nails, grooming, bathing, take medicine, clean teeth and ears, and use eye drops without worrying about injury. Grooming hammock is also a good helper for veterinarians. High-density knitted sling design improves security. Keep your pet safe while trim and groom your dog's nails. The X-shaped cross stitches is the most advanced of pet hammock among the market. It ensures the body of the pet is evenly stretched. The lockable buckles is made by premium stainless steel. The grooming kit includes all nail clippers, nail files, combs, muzzle and heavy-duty carabiner.